Hello, everyone. How you doing? This is Dave Bondy. President Biden just coming out signing an executive order for women's rights when it comes to reproductive care. He signed the order. It involves basically lots of steps that he wants to have the federal government work to expand access to emergency contraception, long-acting reversible contraception like IUDs, and so forth. And he wants the government to look into what they can do on the federal level to make sure abortion stays legal. He also slammed the Supreme Court. He went after the Supreme Court today, basically saying that their ruling on Roe v. Wade was just utterly ridiculous. And he didn't say utterly ridiculous, but let me tell you exactly what he just said. Take a listen right here.
This was not a decision driven by the Constitution. Let me say it again. This was not a decision driven by the Constitution. And despite what those justices in the majority said, this was not a decision driven by history. You've all probably had a chance to read the decisions and the dissent. The majority rattles off laws from the 19th century to support the idea that Roe was a historic anomaly because states outlawed abortion in the 1880s toward the end. But that's just wrong. The truth is, today's Supreme Court majority that is playing fast and loose with the facts. Even 150 years ago, the common law and many state laws did not criminalize abortion early in pregnancy, which is very similar to the viability line drawn by Roe. But the Dobbs majority ignores that fact. And the Dobbs majority ignores that many laws are enacted to protect women at the time when they were dying from unsafe abortions. This is the horrific reality that Roe sought to end. The practice of medicine should not be frozen in the 19th century.
Well, there you go. That is what President Biden said about abortion. He is also calling on people to vote. He's saying everything can change if you get out and vote for Democrats this upcoming election in the midterms. My name is Dave Bondy. I just give you the news as it's happening. Go ahead and follow me right here and subscribe to make sure that you get all of my content.